Guys, welcome back to Lime with Ling. Today we're going to be making jerk chicken empanadas, and I'll be showing you how I make my empanada dough right away. And if you want to learn how to make the jerk chicken, all you gotta do is click over here and watch that episode on how to make the jerk chicken itself. But first of all, put this into the oven. That's gonna bake for about 45 minutes. Then we're gonna start with our empanada dough.
Possible to actually start even closer to the I got the fire on the double. I got the fire on the double. I done gal with the ass with the bubble. I got the fire on the doubles.
Alright, so first things first, let's talk about subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, think about subscribing, giving me a thumbs up or thumbs down. But let's get right into this food. Okay, so first things first, we have our oven preheated, and I'm gonna be putting the jerk chicken that I seasoned from yesterday into this pan. Look how delicious this looks already. Wow. Let's get all those seasonings. So now that we have the jerk chicken that we seasoned before, again, if you want to learn how to do that, all you gotta do is click on the description below here and figure out how to make this, but it's really easy and delicious. So let's give it a cover, drop it in the oven. We're gonna be removing the cover in a bit. Goodbye. Alright, so let's make the dough as that is cooking, so because we need to let this rest as well. Alright? So right here, I have 3 cups of flour. I'm gonna add that in here. I have a stick of melted butter. I'm gonna also add that in. A tablespoon of salt. A half tablespoon of sugar, 2 eggs, now before adding any water, I want to mix all of these ingredients together.
Okay, look, you can see exactly what it looks like there, and this is exactly what you're looking for.
Now I'm going to be adding about a cup of water. You want to mix this together rather dense. Just makes it easier in the end to deal with. To get the proper consistency, but look how it looks so far. Alright, so there you go. This is the consistency you're looking for. Pretty dense. Move that out of the way. Look how clean that is, by the way. Pretty dense, and this is gonna make really good empanadas. What we want to do right now is put this inside the fridge and chill this out for about 15 minutes. It'll make it much easier to work with. So let's get in the fridge. And I have a special treat for you guys. You guys always see me cooking here. What I want to do this time is take these empanadas on the road to a few of my close friends and let them try it and let them tell you if it's good or not. Alright, so let's go do that, but let's first put this in the fridge and then we're gonna start to actually make these empanadas. Alright? So I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Now that we have this dough perfect here, we're just gonna rest it to the side and we're gonna make little balls. So what I'm doing is just like cut a piece of the dough off.
I put the dough in the palm of my hand and use my other palm in a circular motion to get this thing into a very circular motion in the ocean.
I'm gonna do this really quick. How about some fast forward motion? So that way we get done quicker. Magic of YouTube.
Alright, boom bomb. We lucky. The jerk chicken looks like it's almost done. Let's give it a quick turnover and put it on breeze.
So here's the wicked juke chicken. Now all we're gonna do is take the chicken off the bone. That way we can put it in the empanada. Okay, juke chicken empanadas. So what we're doing here is just kind of shredding the chicken. I don't want to chop it up, but trying to shred it so that way you can get the texture of the chicken in that empanada. It's not a cutting motion, it's more of a tearing motion. Like that. Also don't get the pimento balls or the allspice balls, whatever you want to call it, into the juke chicken. Nobody wants to crunch down on that. It doesn't have the best after effect. Okay, so now we're gonna actually roll out into empanada dough balls into our skin. Take a little bit of flour, put it on top of the table, and now we're just gonna use a kneading pin and make sure to try to make it into a soup. See what I'm doing is lightly putting some flour on it and keep rolling it. Okay, so this is about the thickness that you're looking for. Pretty thin, right? Alright, time for the fun part. Let's actually roll these empanadas into empanadas. So here's the jerk chicken that we just cooked. Gonna add some to the center here. Right, then we're gonna fold it like so. Then I'm gonna get my fingers into a little bit of water and then twist and turn. Try to go slow for the first one so you can see what's going on. Twist and turn. twist and turn. Alright, there you go. Empanada. Alright, so let's go ahead and make them faster now because I have a few to make.
Now just fry until golden brown. Okay guys, we're done. Let's get on the road. Let's go.
Alright guys, we have MJ here, one of our good friends, food photographer, amazing guy, and I can't wait for him to try this.
Thank you.
And let us know what you think. Alright, thank you very much.
Hey guys, this is the Shopao King, and I'm telling you, his Shopaos are amazing. I wanted to share my jerk chicken empanadas with him because I respect him as a chef, and my mic was off. So if you guys are interested in some Shopaos, go and buy some from this guy because it's actually amazing. But let's get back to the story.
Okay guys, I'm here now, seeing Mark, and a wicked videographer. Let him try this and let him know what he thinks about it. Alright? Alright, thanks very much.
Oh shit, look what the wind bringing, bro. Yo, this Ling, bro. Oh fuck. Motherfucking Morocco's in the building, baby. Don't know, High Rollers Club. Yo, what you got for us,
I have
bro?
some fire, new thing I have going on. Empanadas.
Hold on.
Jerk chicken empanadas.
Yo.
And you know what? It wouldn't be right without
Is it?
sauce, right?
No way. This guy brought the sickness in the pandemic, yo. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
No.
Things, you know?
Yo,
That's
these the thing, bro. Yeah, hold on. You got sauce in?
Yeah.
Teach me the technique. What's the technique right here?
That's sweet.
That's sweet.
That's
What's
pepper.
this? So what's the ratio, you know?
Yeah, 50-50. You have to put a 50-50 in that. That's hot, sweet.
Dog, I'm white, bro. Don't call me no 50-50. I don't be out here shitting fire out here. I know how you Trini mans do, alright? Yo, let's see this. Let's see this. Yeah, he's sick. Whatever. Yo. Fire.
Everyone got quiet.
That's what these chefs really want, is quiet.
Yo, respect.
That's up, bro. Big up Morocco.
Respect.
Toronto, 416.
Gang.
Yo, don't know. BSC, Toronto High
Mic
Rollers
check,
Club,
one,
yo.
two.
Peace.